Okay, resolution number 29, one job should be enough. Committee recommends concurrence, and I so move.
I want to talk a little bit about something that Ron Gross said this morning. You said that someone went up to you and referred to us as privileged union members, and we all booed, and that was the incorrect response. All of you should have said, yeah, and what? The power of belonging to a union is having rights that we fought for. The strength of belonging to a union is protecting, enhancing those rights. Being in a union means that our full-time position should cover all of our necessities, including our rent. Being in a union means that we should have a living wage and that dignity.
I rise in emphatic, steadfast support of this resolution. I represent 180 support staff at ABOCES, the majority of whom have 2, 3, and some have 4 jobs just to get by. We deserve dignity and a fair wage that is enough to support us and our families.
School-related professionals and healthcare workers, we work hard. We love what we do, and we are the backbone of our schools, and we need to be recognized for our value.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
We are 100,000 strong, and if you believe in this room that we deserve better, please stand with me. Please stand with all of us. Please stand.
Stand up! Stand up!
We will bring this to a vote. All those in favor of this resolution say aye. Aye. All those opposed say nay. The motion passes.